Here I have Motorola Edge 30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable active photo or live photo or motion photo, call it as you want. On this device it's called active photo, but I don't know, I think it's more known as live photo. Maybe I'm mistaken. So to do this you just have to summon this panel by swiping like this, and here you can enable active photo. You can set it to be auto or just enabled, I don't know. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.